Hi, I'm here from M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to cut and sew with diamonds. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. Alright, to get started, you might want to mark off the line that we're going to use. We're going to use the 30-degree line on your ruler and mark off that line. Okay. Then we're just going to set my 30-degree line here along the edge of my fabric, and then I'm just going to cut. That sets the angle for my diamond. And I'm going to go down here where I can see my other lines. And I'm going to measure in the width of my strip. This is a 2.5 inch strip. And then I'm going to cut again. And I can continue down my strip making diamonds like that. Okay, so if I'm just making a single diamond and I'm going to frame it like I did in my crystallized pattern that was in the display quilt behind me, I'll just have the separate diamonds cut. And then we're going to line them right sides together. And then we're going to make sure our little points here come out 1/4 inch past. So we're going to sew right along here. Just make sure you have 1/4 inch here, and this one on this side will have 1/4 inch also. So if you're wanting to do something like a lone star, rather than have to sew each of the pieces on separately, you can strip sew strips, kind of stagger the edges, and then we're going to line up one of those edges of the fabric with our 30-degree angle here, and then we're going to cut. Okay, and then once again, by the width of what our strips are, we're going to cut again. And you can just continue down your strip set, cutting the diamonds. Then if you want to take off one side and then sew it onto the other side, you can get this diamond shape. Then if you do the opposite side, see how we did the green one on this side to sew on this side, and we do the opposite side over here, then we complete the diamond and the red runs through the center. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.